the next generation FD 386 touchscreen automatic document folder. For the past 20 years, Formax has been providing quality, innovative folders built to last and made in the USA. The new FD 386 is no exception. The FD 386 combines speed, accuracy, quality, and durability with a modern touchscreen experience. The automated fold settings allow for quick and easy setup between fold types and paper sizes. Operation is simple. Load paper into the feeder, select your fold type, and press Start. At a speed of up to 17,000 folds per hour, sheets are folded and ready in minutes. The large 3.5-inch color touchscreen uses internationally recognized symbols to easily navigate through setup and operation. The FD 386 can fold sheets up to 12 inches by 18 inches and is programmed automatically to set 6 common fold types in 11-inch, 14-inch, and 17-inch lengths. In addition, up to 27 custom folds can be programmed into memory for recurring unique applications. Fully loaded, the FD 386 in-feed holds up to 500 sheets at a time. The drop-in 3-roller friction feed system allows for consistent, reliable feeding, making quick work of any folding job. The FD 386 also features the Formax patented telescoping outfeed conveyor stacker that can hold up to 500 folded sheets when fully extended. This allows for a complete stack of documents to run through the folder before unloading. A resettable 6-digit counter keeps an accurate tally of the number of sheets folded. Simply press the reset icon to set the counter back to 0. In addition to the standard counter, the FD 386 features auto batch mode for processing sets of documents with a delay between each set for easy handling and grouping. The optional patented multi-sheet feeder is designed to fold multiple page documents. It can fold up to 4 stapled or unstapled sheets up to 8.5 inches by 14 inches in a single pass. The feeder has an independent skew adjustment for fine-tuning folds. The FD 386 also features a cross-fold guide for feeding folded documents a second time for additional folding. Proudly made in the USA, the FD 386 touchscreen automatic document folder is an ideal solution for any business, print shop, or school that requires multiple fold capabilities combined with ease of operation, versatility, and reliability.